Hello everyone. The next thing is going to be you have to take a section of your hairs from both the sides and start braiding them this way, the way we are doing it here, and braid them until the hairs are completely done. So yeah, you all can braid this way, then just secure them. Okay, so that is it. No, then again you have to take the parts of your hairs like this and secure them with a rubber band. Take out the braid which we already made in the last one, and that's it. If you want, you can put a pretty clip, and that's done. The next thing is again you have to make a braid and take your hairs from the inside part and securing them with a rubber band this way. And if you want, you all can make a bun and secure it with a claw clip, and that's it. And if you want, you can take a pin like this also. These are quite in trend these days. So yeah, if you want, you all can take this. Okay. The next one is going to be you have to take two sections of your hair and braid them like this. Okay, and we are again braiding it completely and then secure that with a rubber band. Okay, now take them apart. Now with the rest of the hairs, again take a section of your hair and make the twist and turn braid and repeat the process with another strand of your hair and then leave the ones which we already made, and that's it. If you want, you all can make this design. It's quite breezy and cool for summers. The next is twisting and turning with all the hairs we have, and if you want, you don't want to have a clip, you all can use your hairs this way and they'll be secured, trust me, and you don't even need a pin or a clip. Okay. Now the next is going to be taking a section of your hairs from the front and twisting and turning it like the one we already taught you, and then again taking a part of your hairs and with securing it, and the twist and turn is back. If you want, you can put another clip like this, and that's done. If you want, these hairstyles are quite trending these days. The next is going to be, and there was no rubber band was required. The next is going to be you have to take your hairs from the front and from the both side and making the twist and turn braid, the one which we already taught you. And so these are, I think, repeating, but whatever. Making a high pony in the next one, and then making 3 sections of your hair, actually 4 sections, and then we are just twisting and turning it like this, making all the 4s this way, and again securing the bottom part of your hairs like this so that it will be secured, and with the rest part you can make your hairs like this if you want. So that's it. The black slide is back, but it's for a short time. So you have to take 2 strands of your hair and make with the both of them you have to twist and turn with the ones separately, and then joining both of them together like this. Now the next is you have to take your hairs and make a bun with them like this, and that's done. So that's a quite good bun. If you want, you all can make this, and that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching.